Hello. There's nothing spectacular about my dorm at all. Like, I'm just doing this because I just love to talk about myself and show stuff that's about me. We have a month and a couple of days before the semester ends, and I'm packing up and moving out this dorm. Okay, so I live with 3 other people. In my slippers, of course, they look like they've been ran through, but I love these slippers so much. I wear them everywhere when I'm in my room. This little area is basically my kitchen because our suite doesn't have one. You know, there's like pumpkin patch sign. I'm gonna try to remember where I got some stuff from. If I don't, I'm sorry, but I got this from my local Family Dollar. I be trying so hard to be one of those DIY artsy girls, and I need to realize I can't be that because I try to make these snowflakes and they're not even good. Oh, and then what the frick is that? Mac Miller. My little coffee area. I drink it every single morning. There's never a day where I'm not drinking coffee. I actually won this Keurig at my previous college bingo. I got this coffee maker, which is insane because it was randomized gifts. It wasn't just like I get to pick. Now please tell me that's not the most craziest luck ever for a coffee lover. Then I have my 2 mugs, which is the strawberry one and then green mug. It's on microwave. I have oatmeal in there that I did not finish this morning, and my refrigerator and my freezer. And then over here, my puzzle boxes, because that's a new hobby I was trying to start this year. So this is all I got. Okay, so right here is my closet door, and on the handle I used to have my scarves and my purses on here, but now that it's spring, right now I just have my school bag, my school purse that I always use. We use every day. It's like a brown purse. Let's hope it's clean. I did not look at it. Oh yeah, all my shoes, my vacuum, my dirty hamper, and then up here I have more jackets and more cardigans and some scarves hidden right there. Then of course you cannot go to college without cleaning supplies, so I have some of that, some more paper towels, my Tide Pods, and then I have a extra towel and an extra rag. Sorry, it's a bit of a mess. Don't even care because it's closed, so I don't care to clean it. I'm right here a good amount of time. Basically, this is my coffee cup. I got it from when I was in Florida at Universal Studios. That's like my everyday coffee cup. I have this printer right here that does not work at all. I have this drawer right here, and in it, crossword puzzles under that, some pencils and highlighters. This is my notebook but it's my 2026 journal, and I've been putting a positive and negative thing about every single day so far. And then I kind of want to do this every year now. Like when I'm like 70, I'll have like journals stacked up of every year, and I can like look through it. I have my tripod that literally does not work. Some scissors, lots of plugs, some slime my friend gave me. You can like lock it, it's like a safe. But all I have is my caddy with all my bathroom stuff. Here is my desk. Seashells that I got from when I went to my old college. We had this beach trip and I picked up these seashells and I never really let them go. So I have this beautiful plant which I got from a neighbor. They were one of my parents' friends, and they were like handing out stuff because they're moving out, and I ended up like kind of shopping and getting some stuff from them, and they actually ended up giving me these flowers, and they even gave me this beautiful mirror right here. And on here I have my Sony Angels friend. She made me this note for Valentine's Day, which is so sweet. I don't need a man when I got great friends. And then I have this picture, which you wouldn't get unless you read A Little Life. And it was my favorite paragraph from the book. This blonde poster from Frank Ocean, one of the best albums. I have Megami. We have Rachel, which was my favorite Friends character. And I have this French vanilla candle. And then over here, we have my digital camera, which I have been using so much lately. And then I have this journal, my journal. I haven't been journaling in so long, guys, it's bad. Then I have this book, my book holder, this little heart. And in it is the Silent Patient book. Then I have these chopsticks because I'm learning how to use chopsticks. I'm trying to get better at it. This is my jewelry area. And then my MacBook, of course, my beautiful MacBook. On this chair I have, well, this is not mine. This is my suite mate's like jacket that she lent me. And under my desk I have my very full trash can. Do not look at that, pretend that's not there. Printer that I use for when I'm journaling, very convenient. Then I have an electronic cleaner. I have a lot of room sprays, and then these go into my that printer right there. Next we have my nightstand. It's just mini drawers. I have my water, this like lamp thing that I have not been using. It's just really here for decoration. I have my headphones, which I've had since 2023. These are my trusty headphones. Like, look, you can see it, these are a veteran. Look how like they got rips on them. I have this book mug, which is really for decoration. It's from TikTok shop, and I've heard that you can't put hot drinks in it because it starts cracking. My friend got it for me at this thrift shop, and it's so cute. So I use it to put like my stuff that I use a decently amount, like this, like my jewelry that I use a lot, eyebrow gel, a little picture thing that fell off my wall and I didn't feel like putting it up. My only pair of sunglasses, so they're sitting right there beautifully. And these drawers are really messy, but this is all my hair stuff. This is like oils and more hair products. Sorry, it's so messy, but it's just a lot of extra stuff. And then I have like lotion, got to be, nail stuff. I have more very random array of stuff, and then my headbands. And under my bed I keep my waters and sodas, my lovely book cart. On the top I keep my textbooks and school papers, stuff like that, unattractive stuff. I keep my books. I have way more books, but they're at home. These are just what I brought to the college, so I'm a college student. Okay, then I have some bookmarks, extra blanket for anyone that stays over, or if I'm sitting in this chair right here and I'm cold, that's my other blanket. This is under my bed, and in these drawers I have all my like everyday things, kind of. This is just my makeup bag. I cannot close, it's so much in it. And then I have my bonnet, and then I keep hats. I keep all my perfumes that I use every morning. These are my piercing cleaners, some eyeshadow, lashes, cotton pads, lotion that I use practically every morning, my retainers of course. And here, this is basically like a pantry, my pantry for my room. And then down there is the same thing, just another pantry. These drawers, I have more clothes. Here is my beautiful bed area. I have my heated blanket. Yes! Thank you, Mom. This was such a wonder to have during winter, guys. I promise that please invest in a heated blanket. It's amazing. And I have my towel on top, which I haven't used in, I feel like, ages. On my bed, I only have 3 pillows. I keep it simple, keep it classy. It's pumpkin, then a Megami doll, which is funny because I actually have not finished JJK, but he was my favorite character and I'm going to finish it. Here is my beautiful photo wall. I'm so sad that I'm gonna have to take it down. One mix of my favorite stuff. I did this by using free prints. It's only, I think, $9 to get all this. Very much worth it. And then here's my window, which you can open. I would open it if it wasn't 50 degrees outside. On this windowsill, I keep these plants, fake plants. It isn't obvious. Over here, this is a very awkward spot. It's tilted. Here's my favorite painting. I'm trying to get more into art. The Starry Night, directed by Wes Anderson. On this mirror, which I got gifted by a neighbor. Thank you so much. I literally love this mirror. Some beads that I got on my first week here at this school. This bohemian type belt. And of course, my pink robe. On the mirror, I keep like pictures and memories and tickets and stuff. My puzzles right here, and then back to my door. Okay, so that is going to be the end of my room tour. Like I've said, it's not too extravagant or innovative. I didn't do anything crazy, and I can't wait to do my next year for my room tour because I'm also staying in an apartment this time. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. That's been my goal, my dream for so long, and I'm like right there. I've been staying at this 990 for a while. I'm gonna be vlogging more. I'm actually currently filming a week vlog, and that will be out next week when this comes out. Stay tuned for that. My bell is not working, so you will never know when I'm posting a video. For some reason It says that this is a kids channel. I can't change it, even though my birthday literally says I'm freaking 19, but I tried and it won't let me change it, so my bell does not work. So if you want to know that I posted a YouTube video, you would have to know through my socials. I let you guys know when I post a YouTube video on my Instagram and on my TikTok story. Follow those as well if you want to know. Also have my other socials down below, like my letterbox and my blog page. Maybe you guys are watching this and you're about to start college. Good luck, okay? Have fun shopping for that room. That's the best part, okay? That's the best part.